YouTube, what's going on, guys? As you guys can see in the title, we are on week 6. Now, I missed week 5, and I didn't realize I missed week 5 till you guys told me down in the comments, like, yo, where's week 5 at? And, you know, my bad. That's on me. That's on me. Okay, that's on me. But, you know, a lot going on, okay? Like, I'm making this video, like, I think it's like Friday today. You guys, I don't know when you guys are going to see it. I know it's going to be before Monday, though, because that's usually when I update, you know, the update videos. Okay, now the reason why I gave myself some cushion to really edit and put it out there is because I gotta learn a new editing system now. As you guys, if you guys follow me on my story, you know, if you guys follow me on Snapchat or Instagram, you guys would know that I got my new MacBook Pro. Now, I've been talking about this for a minute. Now. I told you guys, you know, I really wanted to update, you know, what I'm using to edit my videos and everything like that. I've been using my iPad and iMovie, and I said, you know what, it's time to invest. It's time to invest in myself. I bought myself a camera, raise that quality. Now we got to take up the editing system and get better quality on that. So that's why I ended up getting this. So it's going to take me a minute to learn the new editing software, Final Cut Pro X. So bear with me, all right? That's what I'm basically trying to say. That's what I'm telling you guys is. So you guys bear with me. You know, if videos ain't punching out as fast as, you know, I usually get them out. But now it's time to get into what you guys came to watch, okay? And it's the updated of my ways. Now before last week, you know, last week I was talking about, oh, do you see the ripple? Now, guys, you guys can see the ripples. That's all I gotta say. You guys can see these ripples, all right? Now, excited to show you guys. Now, I'm gonna be honest. I'm gonna tell you guys what I've been using. I've been using Curl Enhancer Smoothie. I laid off the product for 2 days, but then I jumped back on Curl Enhancer Smoothie. I've been using this hard brush. It doesn't feel too much like a hard brush. It feels more like actually no, this ain't the hard brush. This is the medium hard brush, and the his soft brush. This is what I've been using. These are the brushes, you know, pretty good handle brushes. If you guys want them, they'll be linked down in the description below for you guys. But I just want to go ahead. I'm going to keep this video short. You know, I don't want to give myself too much of a project to edit. No, I'm really just trying to introduce myself into it. But let's take a look at the progress. All right, so this is the progress. All right, this is the progress. As you guys can see, I got the ripples. Y'all see that, right? Yeah, buddy. Last week, y'all said y'all couldn't see them. Do you see them now? Oh, yeah, boy. But here's the thing, all right? Here's the thing is that basically when I've been brushing, okay, I haven't really been working on my crown that much. I haven't really been honing in on my crown. I've really been working on the rest of my head. I've really been brushing all around in 360 pattern, and I haven't really been swirling my crown. I'm going to start doing that this week, trying to put in some crown work. Just so my crown can start to get trained now rather than later. Because it's going to be a whole bunch of work later. But, yeah, this is basically how I've been brushing. Basically just brushing my 360 pattern. Haven't really been working on my crown, swirling my crown right now. But, yeah, that's basically it, to be honest. I've just really been working on everything else. I think I'm going to do a little light brush session with you guys. Not even a minute or two. Just something to show you guys my pattern. And yeah. So I'm going to comb it out first. Then we're going to go ahead in with a softie. And then that's probably going to be the end of the video. So Alright guys, you know what? If you like the video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Like the video if you like the video. Because why wouldn't you like the video? If you like the video, go ahead and drop down in the comments because you guys already know that I love reading you guys' comments down below. And don't forget to stay wavy, you know, because I'm in there. Y'all see me, I'm in there. But it's 360 Woods. And I'm out. Yeah!